Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you how to put side steps on your D5 Ranger 2+2. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to show you what you're going to need to do the installation. So right here we have the side steps from Elite Custom Golf Carts. We have a drill with a drill bit, which is a 5/16 drill bit, which you're going to use to drill through the frame of the cart and through the side steps to install them. We got your drill here with the Phillips head that you're going to use to remove the plastic fender there, and then this plastic trim piece down here. And then we got your 13mm socket and wrench, which we're going to use to tighten the bolts down to secure the steps onto the golf cart. So we'll get started.
Alright, so today we're going to go through how we're going to put our side steps on the Evolution 2x2 Ranger. And basically what we're going to do here is we're going to be removing this plastic panel right here, which we're also going to have to remove this and a screw from here to get to. We're going to take that off. We're going to drill some holes, and then we're going to drill holes through this and just attach it all together. And we're going to go through step by step. So in your kit, you're going to have both of your steps. Here's one on top. If you fold this wrapping back, you'll have your hardware and then your other step. And your hardware is going to include 4 bolts with washers and nuts. For this part, I'm going to go ahead and pull this bottom one out right here. I'm going to pull this out. We got to pull all these off. Got to go ahead and yank this off. There we go. I believe you have to take this one out. This one. I'm going to say that's it. Let's go back here. A lot of times I'll take this one out. You don't necessarily have to, but it makes it easier to break this joint right here. Oh, I am. There's one right here. Joining these two together right here. Oh, I gotta loosen this up. And then we're just gonna try to. We're just gonna. I like to follow up this. Over here, same way. to get it behind it, but I'm gonna put that blower. I thought I had it right here. I just have to get a 13 or a 13. That's the only thing I didn't get. Pop our trim back on. Okay. I wonder how the hell.
There you go.
Yeah, but this thing's so. It's always pinching all this up here.